Reinhardt. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm joined today with Kelly Corwell. Thank you for joining me, Kelly.
Thank you for inviting me, Max.
And Kelly is the owner of Farmers Insurance Agency, Corwell Insurance. And she's joined me today to discuss some insurance issues and how they relate to real estate. So I wanted to run through a scenario that's become more and more common in today's marketplace. It's the first-time home buyer, or people re-entering the market after a number of years of renting or living with family in other situations, who have decided to either purchase a condo or a home for themselves. And one of the things that I advise all my clients is to do your due diligence thoroughly, and one of those points that is very serious are insurance issues with a home or condo. So let's talk about someone who's looking to purchase a condo. Kelly, what are they going to have to consider in relation to insurance?
With a condo policy, the main things that they're going to have into consideration is, of course, their personal property belongings. That's something that they need to have protected. But a big thing that is missed on many policies is building coverage, is interior building coverage. Every homeowners association does have a master policy to protect the standing building, but every unit owner has to protect their interior. It's called walls-in coverage. So any condo owner has the responsibility from sheetrock in to replace kitchens, bathrooms, floorings, and fixtures, and that's something that often gets overlooked.
Okay. And now, say our buyer is looking at a single-family residence, a detached home for themselves. What would they have to consider for theirs?
They would definitely have to consider reconstruction cost as well. Theirs is in terms of a dwelling reconstruction cost, and that is based on typically around $250 a square foot on their home size. And the other thing to consider is also liability coverage. In case there were to be a situation where they could get sued, they don't want to lose that new property that they've acquired from a lawsuit. So reconstruction cost is a big one, and liability is also another major coverage.
So you don't want to have that housewarming party and have someone slip on something and end up losing your house very quickly after that.
That would be very unfortunate. That would be very unfortunate.
And one of the things that I deal with as a realtor is market value of the homes. We look for, we do what's called a CMA with both buyers and sellers to look at what some of the comparables are selling around. Does that relate in insurance, or?
Actually, that is something that is very important to think about, because it is much different where we are evaluating the reconstruction cost of a home versus what the market value is of that home. So if you have a 300, maybe a 1,500 square foot home and a $200 in reconstruction cost per square foot, you're looking at about $300,000 in reconstruction cost. Now, on the other side of that, that house may be on the market for $575,000, but many companies and many buyers do not know the difference between reconstruction cost and market value, and the fact that they are two completely different things.
Yes, great. Well, thank you for answering that.
No problem.
Folks, if you have any questions about real estate, and especially how it relates to insurance, give either myself or Kelly a call. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Kelly, thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much, Max.